Hello everybody, welcome to our Search channel. Now you are watching the 12 plus mathematics. We are discussing about the linear differential equation solution. Okay, how to take the solution, common solution of a linear differential equation. You know, a linear differential equation is in the form dy dx plus py is equal to q. This is a form of linear differential equation, and so you want to solve this. To solve this, let multiply this equation, let multiply this equation by a function of x, that is say gx. Okay, by gx. You know, here the p and q are the function of x, and so I am multiplying this all equations with the function of x, that is called gx. So our result is coming gx into dy dx plus py gx is equal to q dot gx. So say this is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now you are here, you must notice that you have to choose gx in a such a way, you have to choose gx in such way that q dot gx becomes equal to derivative of ygx. Okay, it means instead of qgx you have to write derivative of ygx. Now take the derivative of ygx. What is this? This is nothing but, you see here, the derivative of ygx is nothing but first take the y as first function. Okay, and gx as first function. Say, so your answer will be gx dy dx plus and y as second function. So here answer is y. Now we have to take the derivative of gx, that is g dash x. So q dot gx you can write instead of q dot gx is equal to gx dy dx plus y dot g dash x. Okay, so in equation number 1, let put q dot gx is equal to this one. So our result is coming gx dy dx plus py gx is equal to gx, this one, dy dx plus y dot g dash x. Now you see here also gx dy dx. So this and here also this is, so this and this cuts, and here also this, see y in this side and in this side also y. So this also cuts, and here remains pgx is equal to g dash x. Now you can write it p is equal to g dash x by gx. So let take both side integration. Then what we have integration of p dx is equal to integration of g dash x by gx. Okay, this is clear. Now in the earlier classes you have learned that the integration of g dash x by gx, when the numerator is the derivative of the denominator, then the result comes, what is it? We have to take the logarithm. It is not it. P dx is equal to log of gx. Okay, now remember one formula here. I am writing here a formula in the power and indices. In power and indices you have learned that if a is equal to log of x, then x is equal to e to the power a. Okay, here nothing but e, and if a is equal to log ex, then x is equal to ea. This is a formula. You can remember, you have learned it in the earlier. So in this way, here log gx means here log egx. So this e will contain the integration part of p. So we can write e to the power p dx is equal to nothing but gx. So here you are observing here, gx is nothing but e to the power p dx. Okay, so instead of gx, I am writing in equation number 1. What is this equation number 1? This equation, in this equation 1, I am writing gx is equal to e to the power p dx. Okay, so let's write gx dy dx plus py gx is equal to q dot gx. Instead of gx, all in the all places I am writing e to the power p dx dy dx plus p dot y into p dot y into gx. Instead of gx I am writing e to the power p dx is equal to q dot instead of e to the power p dx. Okay, now if you see this portion, okay, if you see this portion, what is this? This is nothing but this is the derivative of d dx of this is y dot e to the power p dx. This portion, if you take the differentiation of this part, you will get this, and it is equal to q into e to the power p dx. So now if I take both side integration, so this ddx will be wipe out. It will remain y dot e to the power p dx is equal to integration of q dot e to the power p dx. Okay, e to the power p dx plus c. This is our common solution. Okay, here e to the power p dx is called the integral factor. Integral factor, in short it is called if. So our formula stands for y dot if is equal to integration of q dot if plus c. This is our formula. And now now I shall tell you how to take the differential equation solution. Here I have told you how to. The common solution is y dot integral factor is equal to integration of q dot integral factor plus c. Okay, now for example, you have given one question and then you have to find out its solution. Say a question is given like that, dy dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to say this is dy dx plus 2 by x is equal to y is equal to x is given here. A differential equation, you have to solve it. So first of all you have to compare this equation with that equation, that is dy dx plus p into y is equal to q. Okay, this is the general form and this is your question. Now we have to compare this. Then what is the value of p? This value of p is equal to 2 by x. What is the value of q? Q is equal to x. So your what will be the value of your integral factor? If is equal to nothing but e to the power p dx. Then e to the power, instead of p you write 2 by x dx. Okay, so your answer is e to the power 2 into dx by x is equal to e to the power 2 into log of x is equal to, you know, in the logarithmic formula these two goes to the power to the x, so it will be written like e to the power log e to the power log of x square, and you know log of x square is nothing but e to the power log of x square is equal to x square. So your integral factors value is if is equal to x square. Now put this in that formula. What was that formula? The formula was that if is equal to y dot if is equal to q dot if plus c. So I am writing here c. The formula is common solution of y dot if is equal to integration of q dot if plus c. So here is y and if means x square is equal to q means x into x square dx is equal to, or y or y x square is equal to integration of x cube dx plus c, or y x square is equal to this its integrand will be 1 by 4 x to the power 4 plus c. This is the common solution. Okay, this is the general solution of this, and in this way you have to find out its general solution. Hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.